Welcome back to the Wild Blue Wanderers channel. This week takes us back to the beginning of December, where we got to spend some time deep in the heart of the Texas Hill Country. Despite the rainy weather, we made the most of our time exploring local distilleries, hitting a local festival, meeting some new friends, tasting some amazing spirits, and enjoying a motorcycle ride during the one sunny day we had. Ashley also visited an H-E-B grocery store for her very first time, and the dogs got to play in a large fenced area. So stay tuned.
Hey, welcome back to the Wild Blue Wanderers. I'm Ashley, and Scott is back at the motorhome editing video for this week's content. We are in the hill country of Texas, and we were hoping to go for some motorcycle rides, but it's pretty rainy and cold and nasty out. So I decided to get some chores done today, and one of the things that I've always wanted to try is the H-E-B grocery store. I like going to different towns and trying local stores that you don't get in other regions. So like when I'm in Florida, I finally went to a Publix, and it's pretty awesome. So I wanted to try an H-E-B since we're in Texas. Have you ever been to an H-E-B grocery store? Leave a comment below. Tell me if you like it or Publix better. I've heard a little bit of mixed reviews. So I headed to Dripping Springs, Texas, and went to the H-E-B, and I was not disappointed. I know it's kind of dorky, but I like going to the grocery store sometimes, especially when I can go and take some time and just see what they have and compare prices, because I'm cheap and I like to, well, let's just say I'm frugal. I like to make sure I'm getting the best deal possible, which is pretty hard nowadays with groceries. We're headed to New Braunfels. New Braunfels? How do you say that?
I think that's right, New Braunfels.
New Braunfels. Yeah, that's probably better.
New Braunfels? Yep.
New Braunfels to the Wassail Fest, or the Wassail Festival. I've seen it both ways, but I think the locals call it the Wassail Fest.
I don't know what Wassail is, but we're going to find out.
So I think it's a hot mulled wine or some kind of beverage. So I'm excited for it. We're gonna be meeting Jim and Michelle from the Airstreamers. I think it's Airstreamer.
Okay.
But anyways, we're on a bumpy road. They have a great YouTube channel. They tow an Airstream that's awesome, and they have really good videos. So check them out if you haven't seen them. Well, we finally parked. It's very crowded here. But it's pretty festive.
Hey guys, we are in downtown New Braunfels at Awesome Fest, and look at who we met with. We're here with Jim from Airstreamer.
How y'all doing? Keep going. Enjoy this.
So we're gonna walk around and check it out.
Unfortunately, this is our time in the hill country, at least the last 4 days.
No motorcycle riding today.
Nope.
Man, I always had stories about the city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Baby, check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. 'Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name.
Come here, Laurel. Today we are finally going to go explore some of Texas Hill Country, and we're going to go to some distilleries.
Yeah, it's been pretty rainy since we've been here, but it looks like we're going to have a couple of dry days. So do some exploring today of some distilleries and maybe get the hike out tomorrow.
Yeah, it's supposed to be sunny tomorrow, so hopefully, fingers crossed, those weather reports are correct.
Where are we at?
Dripping Springs Distilling, I think. It's a nice little place. I think this place has brunch actually on Sundays. So I'm gonna order some food.
Nice.
They do allow dogs on the patio, but Willie and Laurel are sleeping nicely in the pickup, so they get to stay there for now. But we did bring them with us. Cooper got to stay home and guard Loki, and he gets a treat. So he has a little rawhide. This one has the raspberry
It
fresh.
also has money made in there, so it's going to be just a little bit different. Slightly different thing.
It's good.
Yeah.
I taste the mint. I taste the spicy spring. I'm getting all the tastings.
Yeah. Let's try the winter island.
That was good. And this is the Winter Island.
Winter island.
Is the Vanilla Russian, is that a tap one or is that a...
No.
Okay.
No, but that one is good.
I'm gonna take one of those for sure.
Oh,
Right?
I don't love coconut.
Yeah.
I don't taste the coconut.
It works really well.
Yeah. I think I like the apple crisp best though. I think that's what I'm going with. Although vanilla Mexican Coke sounds delicious.
Vanilla Russian. This is for you, Bob. It's good.
It's pretty good. It's cauliflower pizza crust, so we're being healthy. Cheers.
I was trying to decide what other drink I want now. Probably better just get a water and wait for the next place.
We might only make it to one distillery because it's amazing here. We're gonna get a BBSC. What do you want?
I'm just gonna get a water. Would you got me a cup of water? Water. Which one did you get?
BBSC. Vanilla vodka, lemon, blackberry, brown sugar, cinnamon, simple syrup, and orange wedge cinnamon stick. I didn't see the orange wedge, but that's okay.
Remember cinnamon stick?
Oh, I did. That's lemon.
Oh.
I don't know. Anyway. Yummy. I got a sticker.
Another one for the fridge. Kind of a cool place.
That was a great stop. I could stay all day there.
Right?
Dangerous.
Well, it saved us some money because in Texas they're not allowed to sell bottles on Sundays, I guess. So
Yeah, they had a really good vanilla vodka that has 0 added sugar, so we were going to get a bottle. Guess we'll have to save that money.
Yep. We'll see how the little one... Hi! You was sound asleep, weren't you? You was sound asleep. Now you're going to whine. Good girl.
Yeah, welcome. It says welcome.
Welcome to Deep Eddy Vodka.
Vodka is for fun. Yes, it is.
Plays well with others.
And it mixes well with a lot. Looks like they have a patio. We'll ask if they can bring the dogs out. Doesn't look so crowded.
Deep Eddy Vodka.
Hey, y'all.
Welcome to the home place of Deep Eddy Vodka, where we celebrate good vodka, good times, and togetherness. Our mantra is simple: y'all means all. While you're here, all we ask is for you to have fun, be yourself, spread kindness, enjoy the Deep Eddy Vodka experience. So grab a drink, learn about vodka, then pull up a chair, kick back your feet, say a while. Remember that there's no strangers here, because they say strangers are just friends you haven't met yet. Cheers.
Strangers are just friends you haven't met yet. This is so true.
Hi there. Good.
Good. How about... Oh, you guys are okay, say good. Nope.
She just was like, if you don't video, next time we get to hungry, she just picked up the water bowl.
Well, we didn't show our drinks, but I had the sweet tea vodka.
I had a vodka with jalapenos, basically. Well, the first time at a distillery is, I wouldn't say it was bad. I was the one who spilled. I spilled water, but the dogs were pretty good, and they were kind of an attraction. Oh, Laurel. Laurel, sit. There's a good girl. You like distilleries? You like distillery? How come you wouldn't do that up in front of the Christmas tree? Do you like Laurel?
Deep Eddy Vodka was a success. Where are we headed next?
Deep Eddy Vodka is great. Very dog friendly. And even more puppy friendly. We are headed to... let's see. One Shot Distillery and Brewery.
One Shot Distillery and Brewery. 3.9 miles away as the crow flies.
I told you, it was really close.
Perfect.
10 minutes away. Easy peasy.
Let's take US 290 Dripping Springs and Ranch to Market 12. Arrival time on this route is similar to US 290, Lone Peak Way, Ranch to Market 12.
All right.
And we're off.
Here we go.
It's a nice looking place. One Shot Distillery. Not very busy on a Sunday. It has the shape of an Airstream. It's just black.
Oh, yeah, it's from Airstream. Argosy was a travel trailer and motorhome brand from Airstream
from 1971 to 1980.
Gotcha.
Briefly revived in 1986.
So is that sacrilegious to paint it black?
Yeah, I think so.
I don't know, Airstreamers, you tell us. Is that sacrilege?
You guys, look at this fire pit. Can you imagine? I want to be here.
Looks like it could be a fun place. Looks like a little stage up there. Service dogs only here. Good, how are you?
Look at these cute little s'more fun. That's cool. There's another for the Coast Guard. Look at all the Coast Guard ones. Look at all the firefighter
There's
ones.
a bunch of them.
Police, there's lots for the police. Quite a few for the Army. 3 for the Navy.
Well, the Navy guys probably came in and used all theirs up.
Well, yeah, because they're smart.
Cheers.
There's
That's pretty good.
I need a little baby. That's like, I don't know, that's like, it's like a,
Bud crawl.
it's, wow. That's like a, it's almost like a boozy chocolate milk. It's really good. It's a little sweet. I'm gonna stick to my beer. Raspberry beret. Well, I bought a dog tag, but because Army, sorry Peyton, but Army has a whole bunch of dog tags on it already. And Navy only had a few because they probably drank them all. I bought one for Navy. It says, cheers from a proud Navy brat. So enjoy your drink. Next stop, Treaty Oak Distilling. It's how many minutes away?
2.
2 minutes away.
Something like that. This place was really cool. It's veteran owned.
Veteran owned.
And it looks like it'd be really cool during weekend when they have stuff going on.
That looks super fun. It's a nice grounds.
On Ranch to Market 12. Then turn left on Fitzhugh Road.
They got a shotgun shell as a mailbox. This is a neat area. I think we definitely need to come back to the hill country and do. We have a map now. Now we got a map of the sip and savor breweries, wineries, and distilleries of the Texas Hill Country.
Turn left on Fitzhugh Road. Then turn right.
And for research purposes, I mean, it's only research. We're going to have to come back. I'm just saying.
It's just a public service for all of you to know what's here.
Yeah. So we're going to have to come back and do a full tour. We might need a different driver, though, because Scott wants to partake, too. Looks okay.
Guess we'll just park right here in front.
Yeah.
Front door parking.
Yeah. I bet this place is dog friendly. We'll see. They got a whole map on the
restaurant, Rock House Bar, Distillery, and then Mercantile Bar. I see the signs inside there, and then you have the whole map here. So
there's a whole map. So
check it out.
This is gonna be fun. Woo! I've already had alcohol. I'm already excited. Yeehaw!
I'm not drunk. I'm festive. It's fucking Christmas.
Restaurant closed, food truck behind you. Well, there's a food truck over there. It says it's open. It's a pretty cool place. Looks like they got a stage over there. Family area, adult area. Looks like we got a playground for kids over there. It's pet friendly. They even had a pet station with bags over here so you can clean up after your dog. Ghost Hill Vodka. And I have here a live band playing back here somewhere. I'm going to check out what that is.
You don't understand. They don't die young. I be just crying away. Mamas, don't let your babies grow up to be down.
He's just excited to see another dog, so. Little Stub goes crazy.
That's a good looking dog.
Thank you.
You got me feeling like a firebolt high in the sky, looking like a thunderstorm. Here we go, You're easy to remember, so hard to forget. Baby, it's a coward way you strut. How could I not worship every inch your feet have touched?
You arrived. Your destination will be on your left.
This looks like a lot bigger parking lot than I remember when we were here before.
Here, very excited. Salt Lake Park, kind of a ride past.
You've arrived. Destination is on your left.
I made it to the Salt Lick.
Made it. Well, first day out of 5 days that it hasn't been raining. So we hopped on the bike.
It's supposed to get up to almost 80 today.
Very exciting.
And then be back down into like the 40s tomorrow.
It felt really good to be on the bike. But my butt's a little wet because apparently it's been raining for 5 days. And the seat has maybe a little residual rain on it.
Doesn't look like there's a super long line. Yep. Perfect, thank you.
I guess I'll move that back out of the way, then you can see it. Good stuff.
I'm just gonna have to like the mustard.
Also on there too. Okay.
So I won't be done with this back to the saltness because I don't like mustard. Apparently, if you like mustard and their sauce, it's going to be great. So if you don't like mustard, you're kind of screwed. Or just order the sausage.
Right?
I always thought the Carolina barbecue sauce was mustard based, like a vinegar mustard base. And the Texas was more of a tomato base.
I don't know.
Do you guys know?
Okay, where's the Texans? Tell us.
Leave it in the comments. We got ribs. We got lots of stuff. No, we didn't. No. Ordered individually. That's okay. It was a nice place to ride to.
Beautiful one.
Sausage is delicious.
I think the brisket was delicious too.
I think in the future, remind me, I'll come here again. Ashley, don't get things with sauce. Ashley, get the sausage. It's amazing. Put my hat on. I'll get my lid on.
Right. What's the next brewery? Or yeah, what's the next brewery?
Oh, no. Wednesday. It's not open.
Huh. Well, there's people in there. What? Try it. Cider's number 6.
This is a cider. I like that. Not bad. And then they said you can do some add-in flavors of the cider.
Oh, is that what it is? Okay.
Like strawberry banana.
Mm-hmm.
This is the hef.
Mm-hmm.
That's a kind of a sweeter meat beer.
Yeah, I don't really like wheat toast.
I think it's been a while.
Never liked that.
Pitmaster Pilsner.
Yeah, I like that.
I like this one. It's Coors Lightish. Boston Lager. So pinkies up. Well, that's good. That's refreshing. It's a hot weather beer.
Not bad. I like it.
This is the Kolsch. The Kolsch.
Golf Pulse, is that what it says?
Both Kolsch. I don't notice the difference.
It's sweeter. Sweeter than pulp.
My husband's trying to get me drunk. I was gonna get 4. He wanted me to get 6. Because it holds 6, so why not? This is the IPA. McConaughey's. Maybe it's a Matthew McConaughey's. You won't like this one.
Probably not. Nope, not my favorite. Good. Now I gotta taste all of it. I'll just drink my water.
Well, I guess it wasn't closed after all.
They're open. I just picked the wrong door.
Driftwood Ranger Station?
It's not a real ranger station.
No?
It's called our Ranger Station RV Park. Because it looks like a really nice RV park. Within, right next door to the brewery. Ooh,
Perfect.
We could stay here. Might cost us a little bit more than we want to spend.
They got Airstreams.
Yeah, here's their website.
I thought it was a weird place for a ranger station.
Right. CedarBreakHowardRanch.com.
Stardust Airstream, Cedar Break Lodging, Cedar Break Marketplace.
Tobacco Barn and Old Barn at Howard Ranch.
It's pretty convenient.
Yeah.
Right next to the brewing company.
Check out their website.
Check it out.
So we definitely want to come back, but this is motorcycle riding day.
Right.
But man, it's a gorgeous day. We're here at the Lyndon B. Johnson Memorial Historical Center or something like that. Historical Park, that's what it's called.
That was the Boyhood Home, something over there.
Yeah, Boyhood Home, right? The white one. Walk around the block. So inside, they gave us a little paper, a little handout that talks about the whole historical park. There's this part, there's a mile walking section, and then there's actually a driving tour. So we'll be back in the area and we'll take that. Has anybody else taken that? Let us know. I'm curious what you thought of it. That's his boyhood home. Look at that tree. He climbed that tree. I think it was alive when he was here. Probably was a little sapling. We do have tours you can come back and do.
Oh, I didn't realize it was going to be such a big box.
I'm going to put a couple things in the trunk.
Okay.
All right.
Ready?
Yep. And this is the scene at the dog park at dusk. We got one dog being played with the ball. He doesn't get along with other dogs on the outside over there. We got Willie and his little Frenchie buddy. And then we got his doodle buddy. It's all right. And then we have Miss Laurel, who's kind of wimpy. Wimpy. And Cooper wants to play. Well, we're all packing up. We've been here for a week. And we've been at the Henley RV Park, and it was a great stay. I highly recommend it. This is in, Dripping Springs. Well, it's actually in Henley, Texas, but which is outside of Dripping Springs. It's actually really a neat place to be. And we went on a nice motorcycle ride yesterday. It was gorgeous. It was the only day out of the 7 days we were here that the temperature was warm and the sun was shining. So I think it was 80 degrees yesterday, whereas every other day has been like in the 50s. So after being set for an entire week, we got a little bit of cleaning to do and just things to put away to get ready to travel. It's still pretty easy being in a motorhome, but things like, you know, putting the trash can away, and then of course we have the new puppy in the mix, so trying to get her out to do her business in time as well. It's just a little bit different, so we're just trying to get caught up here. Luckily, I think we only have about a 4.5 hour drive today, so we should be pretty well set to just roll on out whenever we want, as long as it's before checkout, and we should be able to get to our new location at a decent hour in the daylight, which is nice. It is True Blue Tuesday, so don't forget to wear your blue to appreciate law enforcement. So that is that. I'm gonna get busy doing the rest of the stuff. So this is my job when Scott gets the slides in and the levelers up and does his walk around. I get to come to the dog park with the dogs and give them one last little romp and get them out of his way and make it so everybody's safe for when the slides go in. I think I have the easy job. Well, sometimes. He's getting the slides in. Of course, it's cold out today. Maybe he's got the easy job. Cooper. And then that's my job. While Scott's working, the dogs will play. Engine started. Willie wants to go investigate. Wait, don't leave without me.
Well, we're all packed up. We're getting ready to leave the hill country of Texas.
Yep. Henley RV Park was great. We definitely recommend staying here.
We picked the coldest probably day to get out of here. It's got pretty chilly and windy today. Yesterday was nice and 80 degrees, and I think it's barely in the 40s today.
Yeah, it's pretty cold and windy too, so
Yep.
Which will make for a fun drive.
But this was a great stop. We met some new people. Willie made some new friends, Murphy and Olive. Every time he saw him out the window, he threw a fit, had to go see him in the dog park. So he made some new friends, and we had a few people stop by and say hi. That was kind of nice.
Yeah.
So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and hope you liked it. Give us a thumbs up. Hope you subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. So have a great day.
Thanks. Bye.